There are several different ways to make a Microsoft Teams call. This is a short video to show you some of them. This is how you make a Teams call from a chat. On the top rail, press the Compose a Message button. Type in the name of the person you wish to contact. For best etiquette, send them a message. After they reply, click one of the buttons on the top right corner. Sometimes when you're in a call, you need to bring another person in. In the call window, press the people icon. Type in a name, click it, it automatically starts calling them. When they answer, they're conferenced into the call. Another way to call a contact is via the Calls window. On the left-hand rail, click the Calls icon. This opens your speed dials. Select a contact, click the video or the telephone icon to call them. If you're already in the middle of a conversation, say in a Teams channel, another way to call somebody is to hover over their contact card and call from there. Probably the fastest way to call somebody in Teams is to use the command bar. Go into the command bar, type /call and the person's name, then hit enter. This feature is dependent on whether your administrator set this up for you. That's calling a telephone number from Teams. On the left-hand rail, click Calls. Click on Dial a number. Type in the telephone number you wish to call. Click Call and you will be connected.